everybody, and welcome to Koshi Gumi channel. Today we will be making a Japanese food called rice balls, or in Japanese, onigiri. Let's get started. First, we will wet our hands. Then we will take some rice and make it flat. Put some salmon in the middle of the rice. Put the rice on top of the salmon and shape it into a ball. Dip it in sesame seeds. Then we're going to put some seaweed around it. And there you have it, a rice ball. Let's make another one. Use the same process. Now let's try it out. I didn't get to the salmon yet, but it's good. Very good. Delicioso. Anyway, if you want to see more cooking, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a like. This is falling apart. Goodbye.